Today, I'm going to teach you how to attach files to Google Forms surveys. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to collect documents, images, or other files directly from respondents, whether it's for feedback forms, job applications, or assignment submissions. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want to create or modify your survey. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. From here, navigate to the Recent Forms section where you'll see all your previously created forms. Click on the specific survey form where you want to add the file upload feature. This will open your form in the editor view where you can make all necessary modifications. Now look for the plus sign icon on the right side panel. This is your Add Question button. Click on it to create a new question field in your form. This step is essential because it sets up the space where your file upload option will live. Once you've added a new question, you'll see a drop-down menu that defaults to multiple choice. Click on this drop-down menu and scroll through the options until you find File Upload. Select it. This question type is specifically designed to allow respondents to attach files when filling out your form. After selecting File Upload, a message will pop up on your screen. This is Google informing you that respondents will need to sign in to their Google account to upload files and that their uploaded files will be stored in your Google Drive. Go ahead and click Continue to accept these terms and proceed with the setup. Now it's time to customize your file upload question. Navigate to the question field and type in your specific question. For example, you might write something like, "If you experienced any issues with our service, please upload a file to support your feedback." This gives clear direction to your respondents about what they should submit. Below your question, you'll see an option labeled Allow Only Specific File Types. If you want to restrict uploads to certain formats, like PDFs or images, you can toggle this on. This helps ensure you receive files in the formats you need and can process. Next, navigate to the maximum number of files setting. Click the drop-down menu here to select how many files each respondent can upload. This prevents your form from being overwhelmed with too many attachments per submission. After that, move to the maximum file size option. Click the drop-down menu and select your preferred file size limit. This is important for managing your Google Drive storage and ensuring uploads don't take too long for respondents with slower internet connections. Finally, to make sure everything works as intended, click the Preview button in the upper right toolbar. This lets you test the form from a respondent's perspective and verify that the file upload function works correctly. And that's it. You've successfully added a file upload option to your Google Forms survey, making it easy to collect supporting documents directly from your respondents. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.